Well, international markets are not really one market, but many markets. You know, you have mature markets like Western Europe or North America. And in these markets you have also established players, also established competitors. So the requirements are quite fixed in these markets. Other markets are developing markets. So in those markets flexibility is much higher and we are already well established in those markets. But the mature markets for us, in order to put a better foothold in those, we need to train people, we need to improve our products, because in order to move up the value chain for Yizumi, we actually need to provide solutions. Solutions in die casting, involving die casting dies, and also process support for our customers, as well as training. And it's exactly that what we need to do in the future, in the next few years. We need to train talent in the Yizumi company in order to provide great services, in order to provide great die casting solutions to international markets. Yeah, indeed, the growth worldwide in structural casting is tremendous. One of the main drivers of this is the regulation of the governments to reduce CO2. Structural casting make the cars lighter, and therefore lighter cars have less emissions. That's very attractive. Also in the feature of crashes, the aluminum in structural casting can absorb forces much better than steel can. For Yizumi to tap into that market, which is obviously very interesting, I think many components are already in place. We have large machines up to 4,500 tons. What we don't have yet is the whole process. But right now we are building a tech center in Chunde, in our head office, where we will have 3,000 ton machines available by the end of the year. And then we can start to do testing and do our own structural casting solution, which we then can offer to our customers. Well, in general, I see a great future for the die casting industry. One of the reasons is our die casting process, which allows to integrate many functions into the same part. It's a very productive manufacturing process, which has made sure that the die casting process has grown in the last few years and will also grow in the future. Then we have aluminum alloys. Aluminum is very easy to recycle, and that makes it a great material for engineering applications in automotive, but also electronics applications. In the automotive side, which most die casters, of course, is their key business, the growth will also continue the next 10-12 years, because in the changeover to electromobility, there will be a lot of hybrid cars sold. In hybrid cars, we have a very large number of die castings. But even after maybe 2030, when electromobility takes over, there are still a lot of structural castings and a lot of engine parts for motors in the electro car, which still help the die casting industry to grow also into the future. I have a very positive outlook.